So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and you guys, in this video I'm going to do a French nails but with clear tips and with some gold flakes. So to start with this set, I am going to apply some clear tips. These are already coffin shaped, so these are pretty easy for beginners to use if you want to shape your nails coffin. So I'm applying the tips on all the 10 nails. I've already got the natural shine from the natural nails with my sanding band, my medium grit sanding band, and I'm going to file the nails and shape the nails with my hand file. I like to do this to make the shape as sharp as I can, because as sharp as you can before applying the acrylic will always help you to shape the nails as sharp as you would like them to be. And now I'm using my sanding band again to make the transition of the tip to the natural nail more even, and also get under the old skin that I've pushed back with my cuticles, with my cuticle pusher. I'm getting that old acrylic off, the old skin off, so I don't have any excess old skin to make the nails lift. So that's why I like that, to get the old skin off to prevent any lifting. And now I'm using my cuticle scissors to get the old skin off at the cuticle area. I have a video on how I do that, on how I prep the nails. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below, so you can go ahead and watch that video on how I prep nails more detailed. So now I'm applying 2 coats of my super bond, and as you guys know, I don't have my web shop anymore, but I'm working on it to make it online again. And also apply a thin layer of clear acrylic. This is to prevent any lifting or any staining. I just like to do this because clear is the most strong acrylic that we have, and it makes the nails, I don't know, I just like to apply the clear acrylic underneath, so I have like a base to protect the natural nail. So that's what I'm going to do on all the 10 nails. So now I'm using the cover print from Young Nails to mold, let's call it mold, to mold the nail bed. I'm using my number 16 brush. I'm just used to use a number 16 brush. Some people can think it's too big, but you can always use a 14 or 12 if you think it's better for you and easier for you to shape the nail bed, or apply an acrylic in general. So I'm using the cover pink, and I'm applying that to the nail bed using the tip of my brush to press into the cuticle area to make it as close to the cuticle area as possible. And then I'm just dragging the acrylic to the nail bed and shaping it into the desired shape that I want. I always do this in one take most of the time, but if I need some more acrylic, I will just put more acrylic and shape it. But if you think that your shape of the nail bed is not as perfect as you would like it to be, you can always go ahead with your hand file and to perfect the shape of the smile line, to perfect that smile line, because when you have a perfect smile line, you don't have to worry when you're applying the color or anything at the tip, because when you're going to file it down, you will always be left with a perfect smile line. So the nail bed is the most important thing when you are doing a French, because if the smile line from the nail bed is as perfect as you would like it to be, then the tip, you can just apply it over the nail bed. You can be as messy as you would like to be. But when you're going to smooth the nails, you will get that smile line that you have shaped before. So if you think that your smile line is not perfect after the acrylic is dry, you can always go ahead with your hand file and perfect the shape of the smile line. So this is what I'm going to do on all the 10 nails. And I'm so sorry, you guys, that sometimes my footage is so dark. I just didn't realize that my head was under my light after I was done with filming. So I'm so sorry. Sometimes you can see my head, or sometimes you can see it's getting dark. I'm so sorry for that, you guys. But yeah, I really wanted to show you guys this nail design. So after shaping all the nail beds, I'm using some gold flakes to apply at the smile line area, because I want to keep some more clear at the tip. So I'm only applying it at the smile line area, and I'm just using that with a little bit of monomer with a wet brush and applying it where I want that to be. And I'm just placing it where I would like it to be, and just playing around with it. And when I'm happy, I'm just going over to the other nails, and when the monomer is a little bit dry, then I will go in with some clear acrylic to encapsulate the gold flakes at the tips. Hey you, if you're still here watching with me, comment a star in the comment section below so I know that you're still here watching with me, okay? comment a star emoji. So I know that you're still here, and I really want to thank you for still watching and supporting my channel. If you're still watching but not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language Papiamento will be Strella, and Strella means star. And when you are done doing that, go on my social media accounts, follow me, show me some love, and then come back and continue watching. So I found a little star, so I've applied that little star on the middle finger, where it's still clear with no gold flakes, as you can see. And now I'm going to apply some clear acrylic on the tip of the nails. So this is how the nails look after application, and now I'm going in with my medium grit bit to smooth down the nails and to make the nails even, and also to make the shape more straight and more perfect. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do on all the 10 nails. I have a video on how I do that in detail, so I will always put that video for you guys in the description box below. So now I'm using my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area. And now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. And when I'm done doing this, I will just go ahead and buff the nails and spray it with some alcohol to clean the nails, to get all the excess dust off with a manicure brush. And this is how the nails look after cleaning them and buffing them. And now I'm using the Cakes Ink Nails Gel Top Coat, and I'm also applying some gel top coat underneath so you can see that glass clear effect. So when I'm done applying the top coat, I'm going in under my lamp for 2 minutes to make sure the nails are properly cured, and then I will apply some cuticle oil after they are dry and show you guys the end result. So yeah, you guys, this is the final result. Let me know in the comment section below what you like to see in my next videos, and always also what you think of this set. I really love them. They are so pretty and easy to do. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Go ahead and share this video with everybody so they also can see this beautiful creation. And yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.